We're back! Like a bad dream.
It is our last box of the evening. I got a whole bunch in 1 week. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
And we are Sisters in Stitches. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching.
And we've been in a lot of stitches tonight. This is like our 5th shirt change.
I did not change this. So, quickly, because Debbie's getting mad at me because I talk too much about the clothes.
Okay, weigh in. Do you really want a 16-minute video on a clothing subscription box? Just weigh in on that. Well, or would you like to see them stay around 9 or 10 minutes?
All right, see? All right, look it. She just cut into my time. Shh. All right, this is my trunk club, and I requested several things. I have a Nordstrom Pinterest board, and my stylist goes and looks on there, and then she gets me a lot of the stuff.
Because Trunk Club is through Nordstrom.
Correct. And it is $25 styling fee unless you give them your Nordstrom card, and then it's free. So I gave them my Nordstrom card, and it's free. So anyway, I saw these earrings there. These are by a Bauble Bar. They're expensive. Well, they're not really expensive. It's $38, and it's like that dusty pink color. Debbie doesn't wear these, but I do, you guys. I love these. I can guarantee you that I will be keeping these. Hey, I wore those black and white check ones.
And I don't like them.
I know you don't, but I've worn them like 3 or 4 times.
Good for you.
And then I got 2 pair of shoes. These are by Camuto.
They're 130 bucks.
I didn't try them on because they're not what I expected.
I think those are tough because I hate when your toes and stuff poke out of them if they don't fit, if the top doesn't fit just right.
Yeah, so I didn't try them on because I knew that I wouldn't be keeping them, but you know, for $130, I have to be in love with a shoe if I'm going to spend that much money. And I think it's the heel too. I don't like the chunky heel. I feel like I would be walking funny in them. And then I got, you guys, sorry, I don't know where the other one is, but look, I got Converse, and you don't have to tie them. And they're very elastic back here.
You can do that to any of your shoes.
I know, but it's just so cute. And paired with a couple of the things that are in this box, these are going with me on vacation because these are just comfy, cute, can dress up or dress down anything. So those I'm keeping. So far, 2 out of 3, okay? Now, this I do need help on. This is by Caslon, and this is a short sleeve navy blue and white striped top where it's vertical stripes on the side for a more slimming effect. And I like the feel of it. How much is this one?
$59.
And I love the feel of this. It's a really nice quality. Tell me what you guys think. I have no shapewear on with this. How did it look?
I thought it looked okay. I mean, you know, you have your little bits and baubles in there, but a little bit of shapewear and that'll tone it down.
I really like the feel of this. And think about it, you
guys. I think it looks better on her than she thinks it does.
I mean, this will look really cute with
I told
the jean
her,
jacket.
Throw your little
Converse on with my shoes. I mean, with this dress. So cute, right? So weigh in on this dress, please, because I really don't know. Then, oh boy, it's Slink jeans. And I knew as soon as it was Slink, they were going to be expensive. But these are Slink curvy jeans.
$88.
I have to show you the back of this.
They're more than Liverpool.
Yeah. And they've got the little white patch on with their little white logo on the back. I think that's kind of cool. But I love this color. I absolutely love this color.
She's a pink girl. She's got a lot of pink.
And it's got a little bit of a distressed hem. So.
And pockets.
Yes, it has distressed pockets. So I'm trying to hurry up, but tell me what you guys think. What you think I look in these, because I don't.
What you think I look in these?
Look like in these if you think that it's something I should keep. So because I love the color. I love the feel of these. I know they're good quality jeans. So, look, it says Curvy on the inside in white stitching. Cool. It's not stamped in there. All right, so I'm going to be in trouble with this box, you guys. Totally in trouble. Here's a nice casual top by Sanctuary. Sanctuary is expensive too.
No, it's only $44.
Oh, really? Isn't this cute? It's a very lightweight. I love the way the collar just kind of goes down. And I love, when you look at it, look at the bottom. It's like a different material than the t-shirt. And I liked how it felt on me. I haven't seen the video of it. But if it looks good, I'm definitely going to keep this.
Good on you.
Another keeper. I don't think I've ever kept so much in a trunk club.
It actually looked good with the pink pants. The light pink on dark pink. Yeah, I thought it looked really cute together.
Oh, boy. Well, here's one that is definitely going back. It is by Caslon again. And it's a black and white cable knit.
$59.
Cable knit sweater, but it's got the dolman style sleeves. I hate
which you can see as Cindy models these for you.
Yeah, it feels like I'm a bat getting ready to fly away. But I really don't need this going into spring and summer, and I just hate dolman sleeves. So
on her.
On me. Some people look really good in it, and I think I can do that. I can do that. And every time I try,
it's too short. Short arms.
No. Yeah, that's probably my T-Rex arms. Just doesn't look good in this style. And I did request this jacket because I saw it on this website. It's Alexa Webb, and she puts together outfits, and she's got a big blog and a big following.
This jacket is $130.
Yeah, this is by Halogen, and that is an expensive brand. It is a very nice color red. It might not come off that way. And I do, it's heavier, so I couldn't really wear this in the summer. And I'm looking more for a lighter weight one, but I did request this, and I think it probably looks better in the front than in the back. Yes, no?
Yes.
Because it
looked too big on it looked too big on her in the back, but the front fit her perfect. Again, I don't know what's going on with her tonight, but I thought the back had too much material that it wasn't had nowhere fitted. To go.
In the front, it looks a little bit more fitted, but in the back it was
really baggy.
And for $130, again, it would have to fit me like a glove. And I just
you like a glove?
Yeah, I didn't feel it. I just didn't feel it.
Now I like this shirt on her.
Okay, this
See,
shirt
I think
is
she
unique.
should keep this with those. Those jean capris she got.
This is by Treasure and Bond, and it's a very
This is $69.
Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah, but my Daniel Rain was too. You'll wear this
you guys,
a lot.
This, y'all. If you look at the sleeves in the video, you'll see that the buttons are on the top of the arm, not on the side or in the back. And I said, are these like sewn on wrong? And she's like, no. But I really, really like this. What a nice casual shirt. I can wear it open. I can close it and I can tuck it in. I can leave it out. And it's a $69. Oh my gosh, this bill. I've got to be done shopping for vacation after this. I love this shirt. I really do. Tell me what you guys think, but I think I'm going to keep that shirt. And take a look at the sleeves in the video. But all right, in my first trunk club, I got NYDJ jeans, and everyone's like, splurge, just splurge on them, and now they're too big, and it's only been 5 months. But they did send me some NY, not your daughter's jean, you know, cropped jeans, like more of a capri jean. I just love this brand, and I know it's expensive. How much?
$89.
But I thought they looked really good on me.
They did. These were the best.
They felt great.
With all the clothes she's tried out tonight, ooh, excuse me, that's my favorite piece that she put on. I thought those looked the best on her. I think she should keep those for sure. These jeans, that white and blue shirt and her Converse looked awesome together.
Yeah, I did like that a lot. And then I got a cut from the cloth jean skirt. And so
this
know
is $89 as well.
Yeah.
I didn't. She put it on. I'm like, no. It's so weird, you guys, and I've not seen this until tonight. The back hem is 2 inches longer than the front of the skirt.
It's supposed to look like somebody cut it, you know.
I think that looks terrible.
Yeah, well, one, I do love cut from the cloth, and I have several of their jeans, but I'm not going to keep this because actually I didn't think I had a jean skirt, and when I was going through my stuff, I have a jean skirt, a nice expensive jean skirt. So for that reason, even if it's the hem that I don't like, this is going back. So
I agree.
If Debbie can stay awake, we can close out our video.
I'm so tired, you guys. I'm so sorry.
So, yeah, I just need help on a few things. Let me know what you like.
So if I was Cindy, I would keep the pink jeans, the pink shirt, the white and blue blouse, the capri jeans, and the Converse gym shoes. I would get rid of everything else.
Okay. Well,
weigh in.
If you guys, if you guys agree with her, because it's a lot of money and it's good quality stuff, and I seriously would be done shopping for my vacation.
But I told Cindy,
this.
What we need to start doing now is stop buying all the trendy clothes and get classic pieces that we can carry from year to year to year. You can buy a couple of trendy pieces each season, and then just, if they go out, they go out. Don't spend a lot of money on them, but spend your money on the classic pieces that will roll over from year to year.
Yeah, that's very true. Which the jeans, these shoes, you know, I don't know about the skinny jeans because those might go out, you know, who knows.
Yeah, but those will go in a bin. They'll come back in. They only go out for a year or two, and then they're right back in. But I think those are going to be here for a while.
So let me know what you guys think, if you agree with Debbie. I really don't know. I haven't seen the video yet, so I've got to go back and look at those and kind of, you know, wear stuff. I'm really excited about these. I know Debbie hates these, but I'm keeping these, so.
She's worried about the cost of her box.
I don't care. I love those earrings.
All right. If you liked watching Cindy go through her trunk club, hit the subscribe button. It's right here, Cindy says, somewhere over here. Boom, 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 boom.
We do a lot of other videos, too, besides clothing. We do beauty boxes. We do lifestyle boxes. We do...
Outfit of the weeks.
Yeah. I have a weight loss journey vlog.
Yeah, I don't
We're going to be going over to Ireland and Scotland, and we'll be vlogging and showing you our trip and our fun and our pub crawl.
I'll be taking pictures of the Scottish men I think might be the ones waiting for me.
Yes, and we'll post them, and you guys can vote on which one she should come home with. That's what we're going to do. Excuse me, sir. Can we take your picture? Click. What are you doing with my picture? I'm trying to find my husband.
Yeah.
So.
Nah, I don't want to ever get married again, but it would be fun to have a date here and there with a Scottish guy. I would marry again if he was ridiculously good looking, ridiculously wealthy, and had the personality of my late husband.
There you go.
You think he's out there?
He's out there. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us and watching. I think we're done. I think we got through all of our videos. So
we will come back at you next week with some more videos.
You know what, and I want to just tell you guys, I do appreciate all the comments that you guys leave. I look forward to them. Debbie and I just sometimes giggle over a lot of them, and you guys are good and kind, and just keep them coming. We just love
the majority of you are good and kind.
Right.
We do get a few of those.
Yeah, that's
where
okay.
You read it and you go,
You try not to let those affect you. Sometimes they do. They get in your psyche.
So...
All right, we're out of here.
But thanks
we're almost
for weighing
at 15
in and
minutes. We gotta go.
Thanks for
spending
time with us when you have time to spend with us. And
when a comment comes in, I'll be texting Deb. Debbie, did you see what they said about? She's like,
normally she's saying, Debbie, answer those. They're for you. And I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get to them. So we gotta go though. It's getting late, and I really wanna go take a bath and go to bed.
All right, good night, everyone. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Good night.